Hi guys, today we're going to test the Eazi Feeder. In theory, it's a sling that you attach to your rod. You create your feeding bomb or your maze. You're going to put this in here and give it a cast. The principle behind this is you need to have a couple of pre-made balls. You'll see this is quite large compared to what you normally use because the weight needs to be the same as what you would cast normally with your rod. All you do is put it into the sling and give it a cast. The benefit behind this is if you're using something like a rocket, for example, you have to cast it all the way out to where you want it to land, and then you're gonna have to reel it back in. So this is meant to be much faster because you'll see when I cast, it releases in the air, consistently should land at the same place, and then I reel this back in. So we're gonna give it a test today. We have 4 of these balls, 2 of these molasses balls, and then we're gonna cast in and see if we can get to the same spot, creating a nice feeding area pretty quickly. Those felt heavier than what I would normally cast, so I'm going to take this half it and then see what the distance difference is. Yo! So, learnings from the first outing, definitely the weight's important, trying to get it the same. I could feel this first one's the load was too heavy, so I adjusted it and it landed exactly where I wanted it to land, so that's good. I'll get some more like that. Also, when I cast, there's just enough weight with this type of rod setup that it still pulls line. So as soon as I get it to the top, I caught it on the reel, stopping the line from feeding. The ball still went where it had to go, but it didn't pull this out and didn't feed my line, creating a crow's nest. So I'm going to try more of those over this weekend. We'll add some more footage and hopefully we get it spot on. If you have one of these, let me know. What's your experience been like? And we'll keep on casting.